Basic English versus Native English. What do you like to eat? What are you in the mood for? Yes, I will come. Sure, I'm in. This is easy. It's a piece of cake. Where are you? Where are you at? I'm disappointed. That's a bummer. I think it's good. I'd say it's pretty good. I don't believe it. You've got to be kidding me. What do you think? What's your take on this? I'm late. I'm running a bit behind. I'm hungry. I could eat. That's very good. That's awesome. Are you okay? Everything all right? Do you want to come? Wanna tag along? I can't come. I'm gonna have to pass. I'm busy. I've got a lot on my plate. I'm confused. I'm not following. How much does this cost? What's the damage? Goodbye. Take care. That's strange. That's weird. Don't worry. You've got this.